Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download roster in Madden 26. It's pretty easy. First of all, go to franchise and right here you need to select download center, and here in the download center just go to the roster tab at the top, and here you'll able to see top rosters. You can download any of this if you want, and also if you want to search for a specific one, for that hit Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation, and here you'll able to search the roster by keyword or username. For instance, I'll download this one, primes. Select that and hit download. Once the download is done, get back from this and go to creation center and select this option, load/delete files. Here go to roster tab and you're gonna see the roster which you have downloaded. Then just select that and select yes from here. Okay, and just get back from this. Since the roster is loaded, we can use that. For that, go to franchise and select create new league option at the bottom. Here you can choose offline solo or online solo, whatever you prefer, and go to this option, roster file, and now they're gonna import the roster which we have downloaded. Once it is done, you'll able to see teams and players from your roster. Here you need to choose the team. You can just choose any of this and proceed with that. But yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you can download roster in Madden 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.